All right, so this is going to be your first challenge here in the course. And what are the purpose of challenges? Well, it's to get you outside of your comfort zone a little bit, that so you're not always following exactly what I do, but actually doing something on your own, sort of testing to see, do you really have a grasp on what's going on? And if you don't feel like you're there yet, maybe go back and rewatch some lectures. But if you're feeling great, that's awesome. You've kind of tested yourself and you're ready to move forward. So what I want to do is first teach you a skill of how to create A tags inside of your HTML. And then I'm going to ask you to do your own tag for an about page, and I'll explain that in a bit here. So first, let me teach you how to use A tags. And the basic idea here is that, if you go ahead and translate something and you're like, oh, that's so cool. I saw, what's in the Gettysburg Address. I want to go try a new set of text. Well, you could just hit the back button here, but I think we should have a button somewhere on the page here that someone could hit that just says like, count a new word, or like start again, something like that, right? So what we can do is in between here, I'm going to add a new link that essentially takes us back to the home page. So inside of our count.html, between these h1 tags, I'm going to create some new text that says new count. Let's do start again. I think that sounds more intuitive. Start again. Okay, and so in order to make this a clickable link, we need to put this in an A tag. So we'll do A tag there, and then an ending one after it. And with A tags, you have to say where someone will go if they click on this link. And so you say href equals to, and then whatever in the quotes, that is where it will go. So for example, if I put inside of here google.com, I better put my http:// there, but if I put google.com, reload this page, oh look, there's that start again button, and I click on that, it will take me to google.com. But we want it to take us to our home page. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this out and say, you know what, inside of here, I want it to go to, let me do my percentage signs, URL, and then in parentheses, I want it to go to the home page. Now, what's important here is that we need to go back to our urls.py and give a name for this path. You'll see we have the name for the count, but not for the home page yet. So we're going to say name equal to, let me do single quotes, home. We'll hit save there. And now when I reload this page, there we go. If I hit the start again button, it takes me back to the home page. Okay, so cool little skill I taught you there, how A tags work and, getting the URL all set, all that good stuff. Now what I want you to do is add a new button onto this page that takes you to an about page about this website. So you can decide where you want this link to go here inside of the home page, but when someone clicks that, it should take them to whatever the name of the site is /about, and then that page should show some basic information, like maybe this was a website I made in Nick Walters' class, blah, 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 or I love to count words, whatever it is that you want. So basically 2 steps here. You've got to first make a link and then have it direct you to a brand new page that's an about page. So kind of 2 steps there, but this is so important. You have to do this on your own. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you exactly what it is that you need to do this, but do not go watch the next one until you've done it on your own. And if you don't get it at first, don't go, yeah, I don't really know, I'm just going to go to the video. No, I need you to stress a little bit. I need you to think, oh man, like how am I supposed to do that? Maybe rewatch a video, maybe go ahead and Google it, see if you can find the answer out on the internet. But it's that struggle. You going, okay, I need to learn this new thing on my own that's really going to cement this stuff for you. So please, at this point, go ahead and go do this on your own. And then when you are finished, move on to the next lecture. Am I passionate enough here? I feel like I'm getting a little bit too crazy here, but I'm really telling you, this is where a lot of my students have said, I really felt like I was learning when I did this. So I want you to give this your best effort. Do not move forward until you've gotten it. You can do this.